How to fix Bugsplat.dll. Error, Battlenet DLL missing? 1. Run a virus scan using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 2. Run the following commands as admin, dism.exe, /online /cleanup image /scan help sfc /scan03, using system restore. 4. Re-register the DLL file on your computer. Run regs32 Bugsplat.dll command as administration 5. Uninstall then reinstall League of Legends via https://signup.leagueoflegends.com/n-a/signup/redownload. 6. Other tips are, restart your PC. Restoring the deleted Bugsplat.dll file if you can.